Hi everyone, today's video is sponsored by JPfans. They are a Japan shipping proxy and they upload photos of your items when they arrive to the warehouse for free. And they also upload photos of when they are packing up your items to ship it out. Just for reference, my package was 2,342 grams and the shipping price was $48. But that doesn't include the tariffs, but the tariffs depend on your declaration value. So it's different for everyone, so I can't give you an exact price for the tariffs. Overall, I had a great experience using the JPfans platform and I will definitely be using it again. Now let's get to the unboxing part. With the credit that they gave me, I was able to buy this cute Happy March reusable tote bag. I was able to find the matching set for the macaron and the deer Rilakkuma, so now I have the matching set as you can see right here. Up next, I got these Heisei retro sticker sheets. I got this Happy March sticker shaker charm, and this one is glow in the dark and it has a super squishy texture. Now let's get into the stationery part. I got a lot of new memo pads and letter sets. The letter sets only come with one design for the envelope and the letter, so they're all the same. I was able to find this Tamagotchi letter set. It came with two designs for the letter and the envelopes, and it did come with stickers. I was able to find my dream memo pad, this Clover music one. The designs are so pretty. This memo pad is a newer release and it did come with stickers. Now I'm just going to show you the designs. This Happy March memo pad is also one of the latest releases and it also comes with stickers on the front. It comes with 4-page designs. I got this Tamagotchi fabric and I was thinking of using it as a poster on the pegboard. Up next, I got these mezzo piano Sanrio keychains. I already have it in purple, but this one is in pink with Hello Kitty. The purple one is with Kuromi. I was also able to get the matching pouch. It came in the set with the plushie. Back design is Hello Kitty, the front is Berry-chan, and it's super spacious. I bought these 10 cases as a set. It came with mezzo piano, angel blue, pomponette, and I did open one just for the sake of the video. You just slide the case open. I'm thinking of adding my sticker flakes inside the case. I was saving the best for last. I got this purple polka dot backpack. It is secondhand, but I think it's still in good condition and the details are so adorable. I decided to add the purple mezzo piano Sanrio keychain. I think it matches perfectly. Here's my mezzo piano shoulder bag. I was still deciding if I wanted the keychain on my backpack or the shoulder bag, but I think I might just keep it on the backpack. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!